Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Deegee Chef from the stables. We're doing mutton korma. It finds its roots way back from Turkey, and the original word is korma with a Q, but now it's more known as K korma. It is a curry for the royals. Really succulent meat cooked over a long period of time, and I'm gonna love making this today. It's a huge comfort dish for me. Hope you enjoy it. We have some boneless pieces of mutton. It's very important that that's clean and dry, and once dry we will marinate this for about 2 hours and then cook it on a slow flame here for about an hour and a half, and then finish off, and I'll tell you what's the twist to this. This meat is now marinated for 2 hours in the yogurt and the spices that we mixed. We will now put this into this pan with ghee, dry whole garam masalas as we call them in India, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, cloves, jawitri, and the big elaichi that we have. As you can see, this color is just so beautiful. This color is coming predominantly from the chili and the ghee. In this gravy, we don't use onions and tomatoes. And it's actually the king of Indian curries. It's so delicate, it's so melt in the mouth. And the finishing to this is with this fried onion, which we will do about an hour later.
On a well-dusted spatula, we place the naan, sprinkle onion seeds, chopped cilantro, and place in a preheated hot oven. In 1.5 minutes, voila! We have a gorgeous looking, crispy, tasty naan that pairs beautifully with the korma.
The fried onions, we mince this in the blitzer. We have powdered, fried, crispy onions, and the mutton korma is now cooking for about an hour, 40 minutes. We're gonna see how that looks now. Absolutely lovely. As you can see the gravy, I can smell it. It's just beautiful. The cardamom and all the spices and the ghee, it's absolutely intoxicating. I just want to get into this meal quickly, but before that, I'm going to put in the fried onions. This will add a different texture to this dish. Also make the gravy a little more thicker and sweeter. Now that the onions have gone in, you'll see the color change. It will become a little darker. The gravy will become thicker, and this is an absolute stupendous dish to go with either a naan or rice or even just hot chapatis. Can't wait to dive into this. That's our mutton korma, curry of the royalty, with a buttered naan and some onions. It's the ultimate, guys.